Life-changing effects of keto. Low-carb diets can drastically alter your life. We continue to avoid sweets and make healthier food choices because of the low-carb and keto benefits. Lose stored and visceral fat quickly. With these suggestions, you can live longer, look younger, and feel better. Sleeping less will give you greater energy. Defend yourself from illness. Every person's low-carb diet is unique. Each day, the number of net carbohydrates consumed might range from 0 to 60 net grams. Your metabolism will change if you eat very few carbohydrates, less than 5% of your total daily calories. Ketosis, or keto, is a fat-burning state generated by very low carbohydrate diets. Low-carb dieters are buzzing about the keto diet. Low-carb versus keto. Getting into ketosis, even for a short period of time, offers numerous benefits. Our bodies grow sluggish when we eat a high-carbohydrate diet. By relying nearly totally on fat as a fuel source, low-carb and ketogenic diets increase fat-burning ability. Low-carb diets are known as ketogenic diets. When our carb intake is exceptionally low, we develop ketosis, under 20 net grams per day. When we're in a ketogenic metabolic state, we finally start breaking down hard-to-lose stored body fat. Your everyday actions will be powered by the fat you've accumulated, as well as the fat you intake. Burn your stored fat. Low-carb dieters enjoy metabolic advantages that help them lose weight faster. Ketosis is a state of ketosis experienced by low-carb dieters. When carbs are scarce, the body turns to fat for energy, a ketogenic state. Why does keto help you lose weight? Ketosis boosts fat-burning potential significantly. When you eat a low-carbohydrate diet, you must rely on fat for energy. This includes body fat that has been accumulated and visceral fat that has formed around the organs. When you adopt a low-carb diet, fat and protein will make up the majority of your daily calories. Even if you consume a lot of fat, your body will utilize it for energy rather than storing it. Keep your muscle. Low-carbohydrate diets alter the way your muscles respond to exercise. Your body does not have to use protein stores in the muscles since it burns fat for energy. Low-carbers benefit from a protein-sparing effect when they eat the right foods in the right proportions. Low-carb allows you to grow and maintain more lean muscle than any other diet. Curb hunger. A magical thing happens within the first few days of adopting a low-carb diet. You suddenly aren't hungry unless it's your regular meal time. Low-carb foods naturally inspire and battle hunger by keeping you full and content for extended periods of time, even if you're decreasing calories. More energy with less sleep. Low-carb eating causes rapid changes in mood and energy. Many dieters notice an increase in stamina, concentration, and clarity as a result of their diet. Limiting carbs in your diet has a fantastic side effect of brain sharpness. Low-carbohydrate eaters require less sleep and are more active during the day. Control insulin, prevent disease, live longer. Living longer requires avoiding sickness. Your low-carb diet automatically regulates insulin and blood sugar levels. Because fats and proteins have a low glycemic index and do not produce sudden spikes in blood sugar levels, your insulin will release in a consistent manner. Controlling your insulin levels lowers your risk of diabetes, hypertension, and heart disease. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.